Hello there, this is Chase Murphy, a senior consultant with ProVal Tech, and here's a video for Ninja RMM today regarding agent installation and download. Not an overly complicated video, so we'll get right into it. We had a few questions on where can I get my agent or how can I install agents out of Ninja RMM. To do this, all you really need to do is go to the upper right, hit the little add button. Then from there, you can add specific devices. It'll give you a list of device types that are available to you: computer, mobile device, virtual infrastructure, cloud monitor, or NMS, network discovery. In our case for this video, we're just going to do a normal machine. So we'll assume it's a Windows computer. When you hit that, it'll give you another flyout window with different options. You can do Windows, Mac, or Linux. Again, for our test, we will do Windows. You need to select the organization where you want the agent to land. You can select a location if need be. You can also specify device roles if necessary. Otherwise, Auto will just detect the device type that it is. Then you can hit the Generate Installer. That will take a second or two. Then you can either copy the link to send it out to someone, or you can just download the agent locally and send it out to anyone you want. From there, it's just like any other standard installer package where you can run it as administrator or run it normally and get the app installed for the Ninja agent. It's the similar setup for Mac and Linux machines. You just need to go through, pick the right types for the details that you need, and then hit the download button or copy link, and then you can deal with it as you need to. So that is how you can get an agent installed, either Windows, Mac, or Linux. Please follow us for any other video tips related to Ninja or other RMMs. Thank you very much.